So if they're going to be walking off stage, so you guys taught us about sound so that we could make a good decision to say, no, they're going to use a handheld. They'll stay in this zone so they don't get in front of a mic and cause feedback. But had you guys not worked with us on it, we could have made a bad decision. We could have, said, yeah, just use a handheld and go wherever you want.
Right.
But it was, again, I just want to shout out to Elite Collective for the way you guys guided us.
I got one last question. If time and money were not on the table, like there's no restraint with those things, what would you guys have done differently?
I think I don't know if you can even do this wirelessly, but a mobile camera that could work the room and catch close-ups or catch shots, both of the breakfast, the community, the crowd. I think that would be fabulous. If time wasn't an issue, we would want to introduce the whole room to one another. So thinking through how people could meet each other in a room like that, because it does feel a little bit like a family reunion and there's not enough time to get to everybody. I think that would be a time issue for me. But honestly, I felt like the production level quality, I don't know what I would add with time and money. We talked about a middle screen, kind of broadcast from behind.
A full band.
Yeah, we would more music,
Full
more
choir.
cowbell, more cowbell.
Exactly. The full choir. Yeah, no, I think that was good.